Hey, it's Trevor Carr here. Hope all is good with you. Hope all is good in your life at the moment. And if it's not, then I hope that it improves very, very soon. I am always looking for ways to improve things for you, and today is no exception. Now, before I do my full review of FunnelsKit, I've decided to spend all day so far putting together the most valuable and irresistible bonus bundle that you're ever going to see. And this is because I know that you're going to hear a lot about FunnelKit. I don't know if it's FunnelsKit or FunnelKit. Let me have a quick look. I think it's FunnelsKit. Yes, it's FunnelsKit with a plural. Now, this is something that you're going to get a lot of emails sent to you about by a lot of JVs. Any list that you're on, you're likely to hear about FunnelsKit, and you're likely to get some, fairly impressive bonus bundles. So for that reason, I thought, what can I do to really, really spoil you and give you the value that you deserve when you invest in FunnelsKit? Now, first off, FunnelsKit it's like, they should have called it, let's call it FunnelsKit. Click Funnels. They should have called it Kit Funnels. Yeah, because what they're doing is they're achieving a kind of comparison with ClickFunnels. Now, ClickFunnels is a funnel builder, but what they've done with FunnelsKit is they've kind of got the ClickFunnels thing sorted, and they've added loads and loads of things to it. But all of that will come in my review later. What I want to show you right now is why, if you want to get FunnelsKit, you should really, really get it through me, because you're going to get the best value. And FunnelsKit is $97, so it's a reasonable investment. Having said that, for what you get, it's a no-brainer. Price-wise, what's included in that, and it's a one-off price, whereas ClickFunnels, for example, is $297 per month. This is $97 one-off for an equivalent of ClickFunnels without the monthly, plus a load of other stuff like membership builder and autoresponder as well, which I know all of you need this stuff, so it's great. So this is what I'm going to do for you when you grab it through my link. I am going to give you my super serious spoil you bundle, okay? And this is a super serious spoil you bundle. I'm going to go through these with you and show you what you're going to get. But first of all, you're going to get my Pimper Mastermind. That's valued at $97. It's currently selling at $97, and you can't get the Pimper. You can't actually go and buy the Pimper Mastermind because it's one of my OTOs, and I'm going to give you that absolutely free of charge. So let me show you that. So here we are on the Pimper Mastermind sales page. As you can see, it's currently selling at $97, and this is a wonderful package of everything that you need to know about how I pimp things. And that is, if you've followed Intrinsic or any of my training, any of my Pimper training, that is the basics, the bones of how I earn my money. And you probably know I'm earning some pretty decent money online as an internet marketer, an affiliate marketer, etc. So in this Pimper Mastermind, you'll get all of the Pimper training that I've got, all the video training, all the VIP training, all the PDFs, everything is all bundled into one members area, and it's going to show you everything you need to know about the Pimper strategy. And that is part of what I teach to enable my students to make that transition from consumer to creator. And that's where everything changes. That is where your life changes. That's where all the money comes from. It really is a powerful, powerful thing. You can see here we've got the original Pimper, we've got the Pimper video training, we've got the Pimper live training, we've got the VIP webinars, we've got everything in there that is Pimper. So that bundle alone is worth $97. So that there offsets your investment in FunnelsKit straight away. So I wanted to hit you with a big one there, but I thought, that's not enough just to hit you with a one, so I've gone again, and I've decided to give you another OTO valued at $97 that you also can't buy at the moment. Now, this is my Zero Buster 2.0 VIP training. It is not available for sale. It's only ever been available as an OTO in one of my funnels. It's currently selling as that OTO at $97. Here's the sales page here, as you can see, and this is it's a full training course. This covers everything. If you weren't able to get in on the Intrinsic Masterclass that I've recently run a special on, then this is the next best thing to that, because this covers the whole concept of the training. So let me show you inside the members area of that one. So here we are in Zero Buster 2.0, and what you're going to see here is that I cover absolutely everything that you need to know in order to crack it in this business. So we've got the introduction there from me, then we've got Affiliate Marketing 2019 for ClickBank, Affiliate Marketing 2019 for Warrior Plus. We've got Affiliate Marketing, Email Marketing for 2019. We've got the Zero Buster overview. Then we've got how I got started, finding content, branding it, your e-cover. Let's do this. Time to create the essential pages, your leads, getting it ready on Warrior Plus, and traffic, and then we wrap it all up. That is a full course there. That's $97, a full course that is going to take you by the hand and show you how you can crack it in this business online. And again, that $97 course is yours absolutely free of charge, ready and waiting for you when you grab FunnelsKit through my link. So we've already got 2 products there at $97 that you'll get for free when you grab FunnelsKit. The next one, also at $97, is my own personal training on square one commissions, where I teach you exactly what I would do if I had to go back to square one tomorrow and start from fresh, start literally from scratch, from square one. But I'm also going to give you the rights to that training, the individual videos, and there are 8 of those videos. I'm going to give you those as lead magnets that you can use with FunnelsKit to give away, to build your list, to build your affiliate commissions, and that package there is worth $97. So here you can see the square one training videos, and I actually had a 1.5 there because I put an extra one in, but as you can see, there's all the videos there. So you've got 7, well, in fact 8 videos in the square one training, but then I also give you the rights to use those videos as lead magnets individually. So you've got that as well. So you're going to learn a hell of a lot from this training. If you're looking how to crack it online as a newbie in affiliate marketing, how to kind of do what I've done, how to replicate my journey, then all of the training that I'm including in this bundle is going to help you to do that. I'm also going to give you giveaway rights and a commission bump on 2 of my high converting offers. That means you're guaranteed approval, which is one of the big stumbling blocks. You also get to give it away for free. And I'll tell you what, I'm seeing loads of people have a lot of success with this, because what happens is you give the front end away for free. It's for $0. It goes through Warrior Plus at 0. They click on that to buy it, and then you get 75% commissions on the entire funnel thereafter. So anything they buy after you've given them the front end product, you get 75% commissions on that. So 2 high converting offers that you're going to get there, giveaway rights, plus you're going to get a commission bump on those. So that is guaranteed approval. That there alone is another $97. So at this point now we're up to 4 times $97 to offset your investment in FunnelsKit at $97. And FunnelsKit itself, as you'll see, is fantastic, but I just want to make sure that you get the very best value that you can when you come through me. I'm also going to give you my affiliate profit system. Now again, the affiliate profit system is all of my training, and it's designed to take you by the hand from the beginning and take you all the way through to successful affiliate, covering everything that you need to know in this business and trained by me for you. So there's the videos there. Just give you a quick look at what these are. So you've got choosing a product to promote. We've got my 5 pro review tips. We've got how to make review videos. We've got YouTube commissions. We've got where did the money come from? That's my tracking training. The fastest way to affiliate commissions. Making money with funnels, so that goes with ClickFunnels perfectly. And email marketing advanced techniques. Okay, so you're going to get that absolutely free of charge as well. So I've taken you up to 5 times $97 now in return for your investment. I think you can see already that it's a no-brainer, but that's why I had to get this video out to you before I do the full review, so you know exactly what you're going to get when you get it through me. Then we've got perfect promos. Let's take a look. So in my perfect promos training, I take you inside the back end of my Warrior Plus account, and we'll go through here. You can see, just pause that. There is a ton of information in here for you on how to how to set up the perfect promo and how to get the kind of commissions that I get from these promotions. The next training I've got for you is exclusive. Again, this is not for sale, and this is how to crush it on Warrior Plus in 2019. This is brand new training. As you'll see here, there's again a ton of information. I go through everything that I do in order to crush it on Warrior Plus and to bring in the kind of commissions that I bring in. As you can see, this training is over half an hour long. You're going to get that as well. So that's perfect promos, Crushing on Warrior Plus 2019. Let me see, where did we get to? So you're also going to get LoJacker and LoJacker Advanced, the OTO3. That's valued at $67. You're going to get Recurry, which is my training on how to build a recurring income without a website. Again, this is a full training area, as you can see. We've got, how many modules in here? Module 7. We've got 7 modules in here. Each of these modules are recorded by me. The training is by me. So again, you're going to get all of that absolutely free of charge. You're also going to get, let me see, Commission Impossible. Commission Impossible is literally a step-by-step guide to earning commissions in any niche. Again, all of this training is delivered by me. If I just show you here, as you can see, so this is all exclusive training, all delivered by me, and you're going to get that absolutely free of charge as well. I'm also going to throw in commissions for newbies. Again, you know, this is taking you by the hand, step by step, and what you need to do to crush it in this business. Again, all training by me. Here's the LoJacker course that we mentioned earlier on. Again, all training by me and all in this business. And we've got LoJacker Advanced. And again, this is all my training. So it's like you're going to get a whole university of training from me in return for grabbing the Funnels Kit through my link. So I'm sure you can see the immense value on this. Now, as if that wasn't enough, I'm going to also give you, so we've got Commission Impossible, commissions for newbies, how to rank videos on YouTube and make money while you sleep, chatbot sorted, again, all training by me. This is all by me. Maximizing your affiliate commissions, super high engagement Facebook posts, YouTube in-stream innovations, how to make quick money in 1 day, 5 tips to super affiliate status, how I pulled in 2.5K in a couple of days. And then these extra ones here, these are full courses. These are courses from Brendan and Jono that I'm going to give you. The Fuego Breakout El Bandito full course. Then I'm going to give you my El Bandito exclusive training workshop. That's by me and Jonas. And then the clones and the lost code. So there's 24 bonuses there. And as you know, we started off with 5 at $97. So the actual total of this, let me just add that up for you. I've got my trusty calculator here, and just in case anyone ever tries to take it, I've had that label on there for years. So I'm just going to add these up and I'll let you know what that comes to. Okay, so I make that, you can see on my scabby old calculator there, $1,164.80 in total. And that's what you're going to get as bonuses when you grab Funnels Kit through me, all ready and waiting for you. So that was just a quickie from me. You will hear from me again with regards to a full Funnels Kit review, and you're going to hear from a ton of people as well. But I just wanted to get this out to you as soon as I possibly could, so that you were forearmed on what you could potentially be missing out on if you didn't pick this up through me. Okay, so don't forget what I've included there are OTOs that are valued at $97 that are not even available for public sale. So it's the only opportunity you've got of getting your hands on this information. And there is so much information in here. It's like a Trevor Carr University of training. So if you like the way I do things, if you like my training, if you wanted to get in on the intrinsic masterclass but you couldn't quite make it, and you know you were gutted that you missed out, or if you did get in on the intrinsic masterclass, fantastic. If you've bought my training before, this is definitely a great move for you, because it's, you know, you're going to get a whole wealth of information, plus you're going to get the Funnels Kit product itself, which is incredible value, and it is an absolutely awesome product. So 100% back the Funnels Kit product, but I wanted to get this out to you so that you knew why you had to get it from me. So look out for more information from me. The link for purchasing Funnels Kit will be below this video as soon as it's live, so you can go through, you'll qualify for your bonuses just by clicking the link below this video, and I would recommend that you do that as soon as possible. I do have limited numbers on this because obviously it is an incredibly big and valuable bonus bundle. With the more I give away of this, the less I can sell in the future, basically. So, you know, I'm going to limit the numbers. So if you want this, then get in as soon as you possibly can and grab yourself an absolute bargain. So that's it for me. If you've got any questions, please do reach out to me, and I'll speak to you soon. All the best, Trevor.